What's good, family? Today we back in the stew because we gotta cover the Supreme release dates for SS23. I'm also gonna talk about the Dunk collaboration as we did get some more news about it. And low-key, a couple days ago, Starbucks tried to write me off, bro. They tried to take me out. So we're gonna talk about all that in this video. If you guys do end up enjoying, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and would enjoy more of this type of content. Also, let me know what y'all would like me to talk about in the near future. But with all that being said, let's get straight to it. First things first, I want to talk about the Dunk collaboration for SS23. In my previous video, I spoke about the fact that there in fact is gonna be a Dunk or two releasing this year, and apparently is gonna be a Ramelzy collaboration, which he has collabed with Supreme a couple times in the past. These two are just mock-ups that the homie drops SSG release. Now this isn't gonna be what they officially look like, but it is gonna be a Ramelzy collaboration. So if you look up Supreme Ramelzy, you'll kind of see the type of vibe that we're gonna be getting from these Dunks. And shit, if it looks anything similar to this right here, I feel like it's a different Dunk, you feel me? Adding some flavor to the Dunk category, because at this point it's all looking repetitive. So I see why these patterns would pop, but once again, this is a mock-up, so this is not official, but it is gonna be a Ramelzy collaboration. I also noticed that there is gonna be a Supreme Undercover collab for this season. Undercover never misses, you feel me? Every time they do a collab with Supreme, it's normally some heat, so hopefully we get some fire from Supreme Undercover. There's no pictures or anything like that. All we're hearing is that there is indeed gonna be a collab. So shit, Supreme Undercover, let me know if that's something you are hyped for. Now let's get into the dates, which I know a lot of y'all came here for. First things first is the teaser. Now we do have two different dates for the teaser. Some people are saying February 6th, which is literally Monday, either tomorrow or in a couple days depending on when I drop this video, or the 9th, which is this upcoming Thursday. Either way, Supreme is around the block, bro. So for all my Supreme lovers out there, start preparing your pockets, you feel me? Gently and ever so slightly, because Supreme is back. Literally, I feel like it just left and it's right back again. The lookbook slash preview is the day before Valentine, February 13th, which is a Monday, and that kind of does line up with what Supreme typically does. It drops right around that Valentine's Day period, so we should be seeing the lookbook within a week or so. Hopefully it doesn't disappoint. Now they're wasting no time, bro. If the lookbook is February 13th, the first drop is 3 days later on the 16th, and it's gonna be online and in store. For some previous seasons, they actually did the drop on a Monday, and then that following Thursday would be the online release. But as of recently, they've been doing it all in one, so we should be getting it Thursday following the lookbook release, which is the 16th. So mark your calendars. And then as per usual, Supreme skips a week to fulfill week 1 orders. They come back week 2 with the collaboration, which sometimes is like a Nike collab. We might see the Dunk, but sometimes it could be some boo-boo shit. It just all depends where they going with it. Week 2 is gonna be March 2nd, 2 weeks after the first release. I feel like it's good, you feel me? Because sometimes week 1 people spend hella bread, so you get a little week to recoup, and then you come back to a collab. But yeah, that's all the dates for this season. If y'all haven't seen it yet, that's what's gonna be going on. It's literally right around the block, so buckle up. We about to go hard this season with Supreme and without Supreme, so make sure y'all subscribe. So we covered all the Supreme news, and real quick before I get into my Starbucks horror story from 2 days ago, let's give our condolences to yeezysupply. The website is taken down and no longer a thing, bro. It's over. It was great while it lasted, but rest in peace, bro. It's kind of crazy to think that that long Adidas journey with Ye turned into this whole debacle, and now it's just non-existent. At the end of the day, I felt like Adidas finessed Ye. They kind of both had their doing in the shit, but it's kind of crazy. yeezysupply, finito, bruh. It's over, it's done, it's finished. No more Yeezys with Ye attached. It's done. Rest in peace, low-key. But now we're gonna discuss an even bigger story, bro. I almost didn't survive a couple days ago. We almost didn't make it to make this video because Starbucks tried to take me out, bro. I'm drinking my drink, you feel me? It's all good. And I sit it in my cup holder low-key. I saw some shit floating up on the inside, bro. I'm like, yo, did I let my straw fall in the drink? I literally got some footage, bro. I know this is hella random, but for the past couple weeks, I've been hitting up Starbucks after work, you feel me? It's just a little delicacy. I went today, and tell me why Starbucks tried to kill me. They tried to poison me, bro. They're trying to take me out. Deadass put the packet in there. I'm sipping my drink, you feel me, regular, and out of nowhere I see a little white thing peeking out. I'm like, yo, did I let my straw shit fall in there? Maybe I let it fall because they got the big ass hole today. Whatever. I keep looking. I'm like, nah, that don't look like no straw, bro. Then I start lifting it up with the straw, and that shit has the silica pack in it. Hey yo, what the fuck? I could literally sue Starbucks. They're lucky I'm not that person, but like, really though, I deserve Starbucks for life, bro. They probably hate the fact that I pull up asking for my ribbon crunch, so they trying to put me to sleep the easy way. Let me know if some shit like this is happening, y'all, bro. Starbucks is way too fucking expensive for y'all to be this careless and just let the silica pack sit in my drink. Come on, bro, get it together. I literally can't make this shit up, bro. It's really just sitting in there. Like, at this point, I'm low-key debating on going back to the Starbucks and being like, yo, what the f y'all put in my drink? Like, y'all ain't even serving me right, and I'm a loyal ass customer, so I need something. So I'm like, bro, what the fuck? Like, why is a pack of silica beads in my cup? Mind you, at that point I already drank half the drink, so I'm like, bro, it's over. Like, I'm about to go to sleep in like 2 minutes. I'm about to pass out. It's done. Like, if that shit would have been leaking in my cup, it would have been over for me, bro. Like, I low-key almost didn't make it. So I go back to the Starbucks, pulled up to the principal's office. You feel me? We about to handle the situation, cause this is not it, my brother. Like, nah. So we about to solve this shit quick. What's going on? Like, what did y'all do with my drink? I honestly wish I would have filmed that piece, but I pulled up, bang, and I'm like, yo, I deadass saw a silica pack in my Starbucks. Like, what the fuck is going on? And these people had the audacity to give me $8, bro. They gave me $8 for my pain. Like, that's how much I'm worth. $8, bro. I pull up with the silica beads in the cup just floating. That shit is just dangling in there, and they give me $8. They ain't even give me double digits, not even $10. $8, bro. That's low-key one drink. So y'all mean to tell me you replaced my drink after y'all almost took me out? I lost so much respect that day, bro. It's crazy to even think about. The even crazier part is I'm still buying Starbucks, bro. Like, I have an issue that needs to be contained. Give me your support in the chat, please, bro. I'm addicted to the brown sugar oat milk with the white mocha. Like, what can I tell you? One day we gonna be alright, but that's low-key my Starbucks horror story, bro. Let me know if anything has ever been slipped in your drink. At Starbucks, they low-key tried to Cosby me, bro. Trying to put me to sleep at the Bucks. Like, that's crazy, bro. So I went back today and used my little $8 recovery card. Just know that it hurt me to do it. I'm over here looking in the cup and shit, like trying to see if they gonna get me again. Like, you feel me? Finish the job type shit. But yeah, man, that pretty much does it for this video. If y'all enjoyed, leave a like on it down below. Subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you've had a horror story buying some coffee, literally. Also, let me know if you're excited for Supreme. Subscribe to the channel for more content. Let me know what y'all would like to see in the comments. Let me know if y'all like the new lighting. Try to switch it up a little bit, upgrade it a little bit. I feel like I had way too much light. It was too harsh, so I toned it down a little bit, trying to get the ambient light a little up, and it's making a little more sense, bro. I'm kind of feeling it, you feel me? It's a little vibe. I low-key even got a haircut this morning. It's just looking right, bro. Tomorrow, I'm heading out with my girl on this little camping getaway trip, and I might try to film some shit for a vlog. We gonna see how that goes. But I hope y'all have a great rest of your day, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.